Hi guys, welcome to Cinemafuge. I'm excited to be here. I found a way to 3D print makeup per se. So obviously I can't just have my face underneath the 3D printer and let it melt on me. So I decided to try 3D printed prosthetics and see how that goes. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a radioactive comment and nuke that subscribe button for us. Let's get into the video. I look like an alien. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try and do like a blend over all and see how that blends out. So I'll just do this again. Use so much of this. Yeah, I like how that looks. So I went ahead while it was unloading, did a black lipstick with some blue lip gloss, and then I also used my mascara on my eyebrows and applied lashes. So I have some top ones and some bottom ones. So I'm now going to take a blue color to do a contour with in a way. I'm now going to add the little moon to the side here. These took me forever to print because they kept like rolling up into a little ball. So I have this one that's kind of like just an edge, so I'm going to be really careful how I apply the glue to this one so I don't get too much.
In your way, cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away.
Hey guys, so I think 3D printing with makeup was overall pretty good success. The only thing I really noticed that was a big flaw in probably my part, was that the latex is peeling away from the like 3D print here. And when I printed the moon, it originally had like a design on the inside just so that when you lit it up, you could see it. But there again, I think that was my fault. When I shrank it down, a lot of the detail got lost. And then the moons and the stars worked really good. The only thing I noticed was that I didn't do as much of an infill. And so they were a little bit like porous, so they kept sticking through because the glue would seep through the holes. But there again, that's my fault. I think the more I play around with it, the more I can get this down and get better worked out. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more experimental videos where I play around with different techniques and ideas. All right. I totally forgot that I was gluing that on my face.
Both have the same desires on where you go, follow too.